can't believe I'm saying this, but I moved. I am finally following my dreams. I'm taking such a big, I took this big step in my life that I never thought that I would. Wow. I'm so proud of myself. I am. And by thinking about it right now, it's gonna make me emotional. So, I'm sorry. I don't wanna cry. I don't wanna cry. I don't wanna cry. Okay. Keep it together. Let's keep it together. Let's keep it together. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pinchinat. I moved to a new city where I don't know anyone. I don't have no friends here, no family member, just me on my own. So like I'm gonna move here, and then I did. And this is me. This is my place. This is my house. Well, my apartment. I literally moved here with one big suitcase, a carry-on, and then I believe 4 to 5 boxes. So pretty much like my clothes, my shoes, my business stuff, to buy everything from scratch. I am excited for this journey. I am taking everything day by day, and also I'm enjoying the moments. It's like I'm not trying to finish this place as, yes, I want to finish it, but I'm not stressing about it. I want to take my time, go to find pieces that I really love to make it my own, and also save money too on things that I can save. Like if I can go to Goodwill, go to Facebook Market to check if I can find like good deals, and also I want to go thrifting. I love like antique pieces, so if I can find like some few nice stuff that can like turn it into my own, and also I can also create art that I really love for my place, I think that would be good for me. One of my thing was when I was looking for apartment was I do need nice daylight come in, because I know that I'm gonna be by myself. And then as someone that I would suggest, if you live by yourself, I would definitely suggest to, if you can, to find a place with a lot of lightning. If it's dark, you're gonna feel like it's gonna be looking very depressing. So I would definitely say that lightning, having light is a must. Post some of the videos of the few apartments that I went to check. I love touring apartments. I think that's one thing that I want to do more. Another thing too, I just want to say that when you first move into an apartment, I'm gonna make a list of the things that you need for your first apartment, because I made a few mistakes. Well, I wouldn't say mistake, I would say like little things that I went through that I wouldn't want other people to do. Maybe if they will be more prepared, it will be better for them. So I'm just gonna make an apartment list for you guys. I just want to show you guys a few little pieces that I picked for the house. I got this soap. This one is Mariaki. Whenever the soap finished, I can always reuse this again, because the body is so pretty. So I'm like, that's a really good thing. And the next one I also got a diffusal, the same brand. It smells so good. And this is the Scandinavian Garden. Put this one in my bathroom. So the color is so aesthetically pleasing. Gonna have it here. I don't want it to just jump on the floor accidentally. Yeah, my next favorite item that I got for the home is this little cube right here. My sister has this at her apartment, and I'm like, that is so nice. I'm just gonna get one, and this one come with a marble tray. I also have a hand soap is coming. I'm gonna like put next to this one right here so I can put in my kitchen. Like, how cute are these? I just want to say that if you're here watching me, I am so happy that you're here, so glad. Just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you guys can follow me in this journey. I just want to make this such a beautiful journey so you guys can see like everything I'm up to, everything that I can and I'm able to share with you guys. I just want you guys to type in the description down below what city do you think that I moved to. Just go ahead and type it so I can see if you guys are a good guesser. So yeah, if you enjoy these videos like this, yeah, don't forget to subscribe again one more time to my YouTube channel. My name is Pinchinat, and it is how I spell Pinchinat. And follow me on Instagram because I post a lot on my story. My Instagram is gonna be in the description down below so you guys can follow me in all my social media.